Okay, for the first point is what are the purpose of business plan? A business plan is intended to function as an official written document that outlines the goals, objectives, strategies, and operational plan of business. This enables all stakeholders to comprehend the direction of their organization path in achieving its objectives. So the second one is business planning includes establishing the goals and operational activities required for company success, as well as link its mission and vision with particular action. Planning and forecasting are critical components of a business plan because they guide decision making, optimize resource utilizations, communicate the company visions. The third one is resource allocation is a critical component of the business plan as it entails the strategy distribution of diverse assets, including capital, personnel, time, and technology in order to facilitate the efficient success of the organization goals. In financial reals, the business plan furnishes a comprehensive outline of financial resources, including budget allocation, cash flow projection, and financial forecasts. And next is monitoring progress. It functions as a standard by which progress is evaluated and success is measured. This allows for necessary course correction and adaptation. Consistent monitoring of relevant metrics is promoted by the strategy, frequently facilitated by specialized data analysis or reporting system. So that is for the purpose of business plan.
Next is user of business plan. The first point is financial projections. In this part, SAE printing service will provide a detailed financial forecast, including startup costs, revenue projections, and break-even analysis. We also will outline the funding requirement and potential return on investment for investors. The second point is risk assessment and mitigation. As we all know, as a business owner, we have to take a risk. So in business, SAE printing service will identify potential risks and challenges associated with running a closed printing shop. Also present strategies to mitigate risk and ensure business continuity. The following point is legal and regulatory compliance, which ensures that SAE printing service complies with all relevant law and regulations. In this part, we will specifically address licensing, permits, and any industry-specific standards. Team structure also will be stated in the business plan. It's because it will define the roles and responsibility of key team members, which will highlight the skills and expertise needed to operate and grow the business. The last point is we will be explaining about long-term growth and expansion. Discusses plan for scaling the business and exploring new markets will help identify potential areas for for diversification or introducing new product lines.
Next is key information and important. First, quality control. Quality control is an important factor in the success of a shirt printing company, and it involves a variety of measures to ensure consistent and high standard. It begins with evaluating raw materials for defect and variations such as black shirt and printing material. Certification and maintenance of printing equipment on a regular basis ensure accuracy and dependability. Print sample and prototype to aid in the evaluation of design and print quality with a special emphasis on color matching and perfect print registration. Wash and wear trial for durability identify potential faults such as bending or peeling. Second is per employer. Per employer is measurement or calculation on a person basis of organization. On our company, we pay our employer per hours and based on the agreement. It's a way to standardize or normalize data based on the workforce size, and we calculating the revenue per employer invoice dividing the total revenue of a company by number of employer. On this approach allow for comparison on insight that can be useful in various business analysis. The last one is market analysis. A detailed market study is the key to success at SAE printing service. We start by learning about the ever-changing shirt printing market, identify major competitors in the sector, and comprehending prevailing trends. We learn about our target audience preference through survey and interview, so that our shirt printing service perfectly suit their requirement. We find ways to set ourselves apart by thoroughly analyzing our competitor, whether it's through cutting edge printing methods or distinct custom choice. We can clearly define our unique selling proposition.